Beet juice, often overshadowed by its more glamorous counterparts like carrot or apple juice, is one of the most powerful and nutrient-dense drinks you could add to your daily routine. While many people know that beets are packed with color and are a great addition to salads, not everyone understands the full range of health benefits they provide when juiced. If you're looking for a natural, refreshing way to support your overall health, beet juice might just be the answer you're searching for. In this video, we're going to explore the 12 remarkable health benefits of drinking beet juice daily. But that's not all. I'll also show you the right way to prepare it, the mistakes you need to avoid, and some potential side effects to keep in mind. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to make beet juice a staple in your health journey. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your skin, or even manage your blood pressure naturally, beet juice has something to offer everyone. So, if you're new to our channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to ensure you never miss out on more exciting health tips. Let's dive in. 1. Lower blood pressure. Naturally, beet juice is not just a delicious way to hydrate, it's a natural remedy for lowering high blood pressure. Studies have shown that the nitrates in beets are converted into nitric oxide in your body, which helps to relax and widen blood vessels. This process leads to improved circulation, lower blood pressure, and reduced strain on the heart. A study published in the Hypertension Journal found that drinking just 250 ml, or about 1 cup, of beet juice daily can lower blood pressure within hours. This makes beet juice an excellent alternative for those who wish to manage their blood pressure naturally without relying solely on medication. In fact, regular consumption of beet juice can lead to significant long-term improvements in both blood pressure and overall heart health. But the benefits don't stop there. Consuming beet juice regularly can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, making it a great addition to any cardiovascular wellness routine. 2. Increase stamina and energy. If you're feeling sluggish or exhausted, beet juice might be the natural energy boost you need. The nitrates in beet juice enhance the flow of oxygen to your muscles, helping you perform at your peak, whether you're working out, playing sports, or simply going about your day. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts have long used beet juice to enhance endurance. A study from the Journal of Applied Physiology showed that athletes who drank beet juice before exercising were able to work out 16% longer than those who didn't. The difference might seem small, but for anyone pushing their physical limits, it's a game changer. The best part, you don't need to worry about caffeine crashes or artificial additives. Beet juice offers sustained energy without the negative side effects of other energy-boosting drinks. 3. Achieve healthier, glowing skin. If you've been spending a fortune on skincare products, you might want to try beet juice instead. Beets are rich in vitamin C, which helps combat free radicals and encourages collagen production, 2 key factors in maintaining youthful, glowing skin. Beet juice also supports blood purification, ensuring that your skin receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs for that healthy, radiant glow. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it can help reduce blemishes, dark spots, and even out your skin tone. Beet juice is like a natural beauty treatment, and you'll see results that are more than just skin deep. 4. Support your heart health. Beet juice is packed with nutrients that are excellent for maintaining a healthy heart. The nitrates found in beets work wonders by relaxing and expanding blood vessels, which enhances blood flow and reduces strain on the heart. This makes beet juice a natural remedy for preventing heart disease and supporting overall cardiovascular health. In addition, beet juice is known to help manage cholesterol levels by reducing LDL, bad cholesterol, and increasing HDL, good cholesterol. It also contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports proper heart function. Studies have shown that regularly drinking beet juice can lead to better heart health, with fewer risks of developing conditions like heart disease, high blood pressure, or stroke. 5. Boost your brain function. Want to keep your mind sharp? Beet juice could be the answer. The nitrates in beet juice not only improve blood flow to the muscles, but they also enhance circulation to the brain. This is particularly beneficial as we age, and our brains naturally begin to receive less blood flow. By increasing blood flow to the frontal lobe, beet juice can improve cognitive functions like memory, decision-making, focus, and creativity. In fact, research published in the Journal of Gerontology showed that older adults who drank beet juice before exercise had improved brain function and cognitive connections. Drinking beet juice daily is an investment in your mental clarity, long-term cognitive health, and brain performance. 6. Cleanse your liver. Your liver plays a critical role in detoxifying your body and ensuring that it functions properly. Beet juice can support your liver by promoting the breakdown of fats and toxins. This makes it an excellent natural detoxifier. The antioxidants in beet juice, particularly betalains, help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which can harm liver cells. By incorporating beet juice into your routine, you're giving your liver the support it needs to function optimally. 7. Reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health issues, from joint pain and arthritis to heart disease and diabetes. Fortunately, beet juice is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that can help your body fight back. The betalains in beets have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce joint discomfort, alleviate muscle aches, and help combat internal inflammation. If you suffer from conditions like arthritis, drinking beet juice regularly might help ease your symptoms and improve your mobility. 8. Aid in weight loss. For those looking to shed a few pounds, beet juice can be a valuable ally. Not only is it low in calories, but it's also packed with nutrients that help curb hunger and promote healthy digestion. The fiber in beet juice helps you feel full longer, reducing the likelihood of snacking throughout the day. In addition, beet juice boosts your metabolism and helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can reduce cravings for sugary snacks. Its natural nitrates increase oxygen flow to your muscles, which can also help you stay active and motivated to exercise. Key factors in achieving weight loss goals. 9. Boost your immune system. A strong immune system is your best defense against illness, and beet juice is a natural way to give your body the support it needs. Packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, iron, and magnesium, beet juice helps strengthen your immune system, making it easier for your body to fight off infections and illnesses. Vitamin C, in particular, plays a critical role in boosting white blood cell production, which helps your body combat bacteria and viruses. Iron is essential for oxygenating your cells, while magnesium supports your body's immune functions and reduces inflammation. 10. Promote digestive health. Beet juice is incredibly beneficial for your digestive system. The high fiber content helps keep your bowels regular and supports healthy digestion. Beets are also known to cleanse the intestines, flushing out toxins and promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. The fiber in beet juice helps prevent constipation, and the betaine it contains supports liver function, which in turn aids in the digestion of fats. This makes beet juice an excellent choice for improving overall digestive health and reducing discomfort like bloating and indigestion. Final thoughts. There you have it, the 12 incredible health benefits of drinking beet juice every day. From supporting your heart and brain health to promoting healthy skin and aiding in weight loss, beet juice is a powerhouse drink that should be part of your daily routine. Whether you're looking to boost energy, improve digestion, or fight inflammation, beet juice has something to offer. So why not make it a habit today? Drink up and give your body the love and nutrients it deserves. Beets aren't just a vegetable. They're a complete health package that can transform your overall well-being one sip at a time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these amazing health benefits. keep flourishing.